If you live in an apartment, dorm room, RV, or any small space, laundry can be a real headache. No in-unit dryer, limited space, and relying on air drying or laundromats isn't always practical. So today, I'm reviewing the Panda Portable Clothes Dryer, a compact electric dryer designed specifically for small loads and tight spaces. Let's talk about what it does well, where it falls short, and who should actually buy it. This is a 1.5 cubic feet portable dryer powered by 850 watts, and it runs on a standard 110-volt outlet, so no special electrical setup is required. It's made for apartments, dorms, RVs, small households, or as a secondary dryer for light laundry. This is not meant to replace a full-size dryer, and it's important to keep that expectation realistic. Design-wise, it's simple and practical. You get a front-loading door with a clear window, so you can see your clothes while they're drying. Inside, there's a stainless steel drum, which is a big plus because it's more durable, handles heat better, and is gentler on clothes compared to plastic drums. The unit feels solid and well built for a portable dryer. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, and it stays stable while running. Let's talk honestly about capacity. This dryer is ideal for t-shirts, socks and underwear, light pants, small towels. You should think of it as a personal dryer, not a family dryer. Overloading it will reduce performance and increase drying time, so smaller loads work best. If you use it the way it's intended, the results are consistent and reliable. For small loads, the drying performance is surprisingly good. Clothes come out evenly dried, warm, without strong hot spots. Drying time depends on fabric thickness, but for everyday clothing, it does the job well. It's especially useful in cold or rainy weather when air drying isn't an option. At 850 watts, this dryer is relatively energy efficient compared to full-size models. You can plug it into a normal outlet without worrying about tripping breakers. Noise-wise, it's apartment-friendly. You can hear it running, but it's not loud or disruptive, making it suitable for shared spaces. Here's a quick summary. Pros: compact and space-saving. Standard 110 volts plug. Stainless steel drum. Reliable for small loads. Great for apartments and dorms. Cons: small capacity. Not ideal for heavy or bulky clothes. Slower than full-size dryers. None of these are deal breakers if you know what you're buying. If you need a compact, reliable dryer for small loads, the Panda Portable Clothes Dryer is a solid choice. It's perfect for single users, small spaces, or anyone tired of waiting for clothes to air dry. Just use it within its limits, and it delivers exactly what it promises. Check the link in the description for current pricing and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.